it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 things that I think that you should think about decluttering like right now, ideally. I'm just kidding, you don't have to do it right now, but I do think that these are all things that a lot of us tend to accumulate a lot of, and y'all know that I like to not have a crazy amount of stuff. I definitely don't consider myself like a minimalist at all, but I do like to have not a lot of clutter around my room and in my drawers and storage and all of that. Before we leave this video, if you have not already, you should totally click that subscribe button and also turn on my post notifications so you always know when I upload. And you could also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it and follow me on Instagram. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get into the 5 things that you should consider decluttering.
Okay, for number 1, we are going into my bras, sports bras, underpants, and sock drawers because I feel like these are all things that we tend to forget to go through, and then you just have a ton of them and it's like you don't even use all of them, but they just take up space. So I recommend taking the time to sort through. Here I'm going through my sports bras and organizing them into 2 piles. I'm going to be donating that pile and then obviously keeping this one, and then I did the same for all of the other drawers, and I just felt so much better after this was done.
One of my biggest hacks for your socks, which because you could see like I don't have many in there at the moment, and I have done this in the past but I haven't done it in a while, and somehow all my socks got all crazy again. It's to get rid of pretty much all of your socks, donate them, give them to somebody else, whatever you gotta do, and then go to the store and pick up a whole brand new pack of all of the same color socks. That way you never have to worry about like mismatching or anything like that. All of your socks match, aside from your fuzzy socks, of course. Quick side note, if you're new here and you didn't know and you were wondering why there's a huge set of cushions over there, it's because I recently purchased a condo and I will be moving hopefully before Thanksgiving, but sometime in the next month or so. And I purchased a couch as well, but I haven't moved in yet and I can't move in yet because we're doing a bunch of renovations on the place. The actual couch is downstairs in the basement, but I didn't want to put the like cushions in the basement, so they're in my bedroom until I move. I feel like a lot of us, including I know the linen closet at my house has like so many different sheets, and it's so not necessary because you never end up using all of them. A lot of them are probably old, so I recommend going through all of your sheets, getting rid of the ones that you know you're never going to use again.
Now this video is not sponsored, but the company Bedscape, which is a bed sheets company, did reach out to me and ask if I wanted to try out some of their sheets. All of their sheets are made of 100% long staple cotton, and they are also available in two fabrics. You can get them in percale, and then they also have satin sheets, which is the ones I received, and they come in a ton of different neutral colors, which I personally absolutely love. Y'all know I love my natural colors for things like this. They're just so timeless and classic and never really go out of style, but they also look super nice, and it's super easy to change up your decor because, you know, it's a neutral color, so you can put in Christmas throw blankets or spring throw blankets, whatever you want. It's super duper easy.
If you guys are interested, they do provide free shipping and free returns on all US orders, and you can get 30% off if you click my link in the description and use the coupon code YouTube30.
Now, I can't be the only one who has an obsession with throw blankets. I don't know what it is about them, but I just find them so cozy and fun. But I also know that I don't want to have a crazy amount on my bed because it's just going to make it feel very overwhelming. So I recommend taking some time to go through all of the throw blankets that you have, you know, maybe find a different place for them. I'm putting this one on my chair. And then of course, once I move into my condo, I'll have an entire living room so I can put throw blankets in there as well. But I do recommend going through all of your throw blankets and deciding which ones you want to keep, which ones you don't, and then store away some of the ones that you want to keep so that they're not all out at the same time. Next is any office supplies or school supplies you may have. You can see I don't have that much, and I kind of have it well organized at this point, but in the past it has not been so organized. And if yours is not that organized, I recommend going through, you know, if you have staples, scissors, pens, crayons, pencils, markers, anything like that, sorting through it, organizing it, and getting rid of all of the things that you're not using anymore to kind of clear up space in your desk. And then finally is your seasonal decor. I feel like this is the kind of perfect time to discuss this because we are transitioning from fall to the holiday time. You know, I have a lot of pieces that I've been using for a few years and they're cute, but they're not my favorite. And realistically, I'm not going to be overwhelmed with excitement to take them out next year and put them up. So it's a better idea to donate them, give them to my sisters or somebody else who is going to get super excited. And then next year I can go out and find new fall decor that really gets me pumped for the season.